Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can get how you can turn off your notification when you are logged out or you are getting a notification of your previous account or like switched account or like logged out account. So I can show you how you can do it. You have to do is open up your messenger and then logged out to that account that you have getting a notification of account or like messages on that account or like you have turned this off. So go to main menu and click on settings, and then you have to simply scroll up and go to notification and sounds, and then you have to simply scroll up. You will see this option over here. If you didn't log into your previous account where you getting notification on your phone of that account, so you have to simply do is logged into that account. If you do not want to get any notification on that, if this that account is logged out, so whenever you logged in, you have to simply do is follow the steps that I have showed you. So you will come in this page, and you have to simply do is click on that toggle to turn off this notification when logged out account. So turn this off, and now you will never get any notification or like never get any message like when you are logged out to this account or like that account that you have do not want to get any notification. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.